Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking. Yeah. And I'm going to explore a stock with you all that I think is worth mentioning. I normally don't say put this on your list of potential investments, but I'm going to tell you this right now. It's probably a good idea to put this on your list of potential investments because this stock appears to be in a pattern that it has recently broken out of. We're going to get into those details, and I know I'm talking weird, but you know when I start talking weird like that, that means something is going on, okay? So go ahead and leave a comment, leave an appropriate thumb. If you're just joining us, welcome in. It's kind of weird here, but we get through these markets very strategically. We'd love for you to join us, so hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and not waste time, guys. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is February the 1st, 2021, and the previous close of this stock is going to be $5.73. It's up approximately 5.7% for the day. It's probably a good idea if I mention what stock I'm talking about. FLUENT Incorporated, ticker symbol FLNT. Okay, this sounds to be related to something with language. Okay, I don't know what this is, guys. You know me, I'm a technical guy. Yeah, if you guys are new, we don't go over news or anything on this channel, just pure technical data. I'm like the most illiterate person in the world when it comes to that stuff. So yeah, just so we're all clear about that. All right, let's go ahead and reveal the pattern. That's it. Yeah, your eyes aren't deceiving you, guys. It is a falling wedge pattern. We've gone over this many times. It's a very big falling wedge pattern as well. So we're looking at some pretty interesting targets on this pattern. It's been consolidating for some time. Let's go ahead. These are the weekly candles that we potentially always look at, right? It appears that we're getting an official breakout. Notice how, hopefully we can just kind of back out and you guys can see it. I guess let's start from the beginning. Stop being all over the place. All right, so from the beginning here, notice this is where the stock came out at about $41 in 2009. Ever since then, it's just been, just walking down the stairs. Never been in an uptrend. Yeah, this stock has been beat up pretty bad. The investors probably are very frustrated with this, and they probably walked away from this a long time ago. Nobody's paying this any attention right now. Maybe it's come on the radar because it had a really nice move just recently here. But again, I did find this very beautiful pattern that has been consolidating for some time. But it has been walking down the stairs. And if you can see, hopefully this information is, let's pull up the different weekly candles. Maybe you can see it a little bit better, guys. Sorry about that. Let's see. Hang on. All right, maybe there we go. A little bit better. It's like the 3-week candles, a little bit visible. A little bit better, okay? So, as you can see at the lower line here, it's been trying to compromise that lower line, unsuccessful. And then, of course, again here. Well, here was December 2011 at a price tag of about $2.83. And then again here at about September 2014, about $2.32. So I think it's pretty clean, guys. The pattern is pretty well placed, I think. 94 cents at $1.09 over here, February 2020. Okay, so we are on the verge of kind of somewhat getting out of this range here. What are these? The 10 days to close. We're getting really close. I think this is like the moment where this stock is either going to break out very aggressively, and I don't think it will take longer than, guys, don't quote me on this. I'm really not good with the times, but I'd say approximately 3 months. Let's be conservative. Let's say 3 months. I do have overhead targets, which I'm going to reveal right now. Let's see. It's going to be double digits. And the conservative price tag, remember, guys, if you're in profits, take profits, okay? I don't know if this has options. I'm going to check if it does. Oh, my goodness. Let's see. So the price tag is going to be just under $10 for my conservative players. This is what I would do, okay? So let's call it at about $9.36. I think that's a pretty safe exit or scale out method, or take out and leave some in, like with the house or something like that. I think you guys know what I'm trying to say. Like take your original investment out and just kind of have house money. I think that's what they call it. Okay, let's measure it to $9.36. Is approximately really nice. Come on, guys, 62% on an option. Like as soon as I click off this video, I'm gonna check if they have options. But You guys know when I find some information in the charts, I just recently got this request. Thank you for the request. Leave your comment. I'll go ahead and pin your comment down in the comment section. This is a really nice setup. I don't see any real, nothing that I don't like about this setup. It's not official just yet, but it's so close, like I can smell it. It's like, that's probably not the best term to use, guys, but you know what I'm saying. It's really nice. It's going to be very interesting to see how this plays out. I think the media is probably going to be on this because the way that it's going to break out is breaking out of a very lengthy consolidation range, right? And I think, yeah, it's about that time that we're probably going to see some really nice moves. I mean, if this stock doesn't go up 30%, I'd be so surprised. I mean, I don't know. The inevitable is here, because a lot of sell pressure has been in the stock ever since the beginning of time, and now it must cease. They must cease the sell pressure. It's been ever since 2010 or 2009. You're talking about 11 years or 12 years approximately. So that's it, guys. The selling pressure, they have to back off the price now, because it's time for the price to flourish into higher levels, right? Because it's been under a lot of sell pressure. So yeah. That's incorrect. Sorry, it hasn't been consolidating for 9 years. It actually started consolidating when it entered the pattern. Okay, just be technical, July 2010. So it's still like 10, 11 years. So yeah, there you go. All right, let's cut it out. You have the price target. I don't have any extreme price targets. Let's take it one step at a time, guys. If the price gets above and stays above the $9.36 level, we revisit the charts and see what we have here, and see if we could reveal those overhead targets for you guys. And of course, use risk management if you're going to be entertaining these plays in the markets, guys. We're not telling you to buy anything. Do not hit that buy button if you have not done your research on this. You're listening to someone who doesn't even know how the logo looks on this company. Okay, do not listen to me. All right, and that's it. So we're going to wrap up here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, found some informative information in that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment, get a discussion going, let everyone know what this is. I won't be reading that. I'll just be looking at the technicals for you guys here. Also, if you're new, we cover the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. So subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send you that information when it's available. And that's it. We covered everything. Thank you for your time. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.